Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say in a them time, yeah, more than ever, we need to encourage one another in the Lord. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now the best time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 16, from verse 13 to verse 24. Keep una eye them open. Turn up strong for when you believe. No afraid of nothing. And go and keep strong. Make sure say everything where you do, a sake of the love where they in una heart. Now, brother and sister, you know about Stephanos and his family. Them are the first set of people in Achaia to believe in a God and get saved. And them do all what they can do to help God people them. So me a beg you, brother and sister, to follow what them people they say. And not just what them say, but what anybody will work with them say too. Me did happy to see Stephanos, Fortunatus, and Achaicus them come. Cause when them there with me, it coming like say a uno there. And they make my heart happy, same like how they make Funa heart happy. So listen good to what people like them have to say. The church them were in Asia send all the Funo, Aquila, Prisca, and the whole of the people them we gather them yard for keep church and send all the Funo in the Lord name. All of the brother and sister them send all the Funo. Una for telling one another all the and do it with love in our heart. Me, Paul, I write down them audio with my own hand. If somebody no love the Lord, I hope say God will judge him and send him for dead. Come, we Lord. Come. Me pray, say the Lord Jesus will show no love, even though we not deserve it. And bless you now. Me love the whole of you, and sake of Jesus Christ, the whole of we are one. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.